Hi everyone. In this video, we show how to run Bayesian model averaging using the graphical user interface and the dataset provided in the GitHub repository. In this example, we use the dataset 13internetmed.csv to illustrate how the model works. First, go to the Bayesian model averaging tab and click on Binomial Data Logit. Then click on Browse and select the file 13internetmed.csv from the Data app folder. Once the dataset is loaded, you will see a preview of the data and all included variables. Next, set the Occam's window parameters, OR, which should typically be between 5 and 50, and OL, which should typically be between 0.001 and 1. Then click Go. The app will generate a table where the first column lists the variables, followed by their posterior inclusion probabilities. The Bayesian model averaging posterior means of the coefficients, and their posterior standard deviations. In addition, you will see the posterior mean of each coefficient across the top 5 models ranked by posterior model probability, or PMP. Finally, you can download the bestmodels.csv file. In this file, the columns correspond to the variables in the same order as the uploaded dataset, while the rows represent the best models. A value of 1 indicates that the variable is included in the model, while 0 indicates exclusion. The final column reports the posterior model probability for each model. You can also download the descriptive statistics coefficients file, which reports for each variable the posterior inclusion probability, the Bayesian model averaging posterior mean, the posterior standard deviation, and the posterior means of the coefficients across the top-ranked models. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.